Today we will discuss topic regarding DOL control wiring. Okay, what type of equipment we required? One contactor, one overload relay. We take one single pole MCB and two push start and stop button. Okay, one phase is taken from one point of single pole and another point is taken from the N5 NC normally close. Then this is A2 is connected for neutral and phase is connected from the single pole of MCB and another point is connected from N5 normally close. Then stop button is connected from overload relay N6 which means normally close. Then another point point is looping with start from start point. Okay, then one point of start is connected from A1. Okay, connected. See, one point start button is connected from A1 and another point which is looping from stop button. Okay, again we will discuss about what to do right now. We take one phase and one neutral. Neutral is given to the A2 or one phase is taken to single pole of MCB and another point is gone to the N5 normally close. Okay, then this is stop button. We will take one point stop button go to normally close 96 point overload relay. Another point just stop button is looping from start button. Then start button one point is connected from the A1. What happened at that time? Just we check. For example, we check the see when you push the start button, what happens? See this one. See very clearly. They working start button, but hold is not possible right now. See that hold is not done. See, dual we required for hold. Previous we see that we just for start is working but contactor is not hold. So what to do right now? We take another wiring. We take one point of start they have connected from contactor NO. We see that new diagram, new wiring is start. One point is taken from the contactor NO. Why we have take this one? Because we need for contactor hold. After push button, the contactor will hold. See, new wire is one point of start button is connected to contactor NO and then we have looping this NO from the A1 auxiliary contact. Okay, we see that very more clarify. Why we have to? Because contactor will hold. After press the start push button, contactor will hold. See, they will hold. Before they have bearing, we don't have hold. Stop. Two new wiring is connected, which means indication lamp is connected. It is 220 volt is taken. What to do? One phase is gone to the A1 and another point is go to the neutral, and this start indication lamp, one phase is connected in this indication lamp stop indication lamp, one phase is connected normally close and another one point neutral is connected from this side, and this one is start indication lamp, one point in the neutral is connected this one and one phase is connected in normally close. Why we have required normally close? Because when push from start button, this normally close, this one is converted in normally open. See, which means motor is start. This one is indication for motor is running position. After stop, see, motor is off position. All those things we see very typical this one, but very simple. What we have complete summary again, we have revised this. One phase and one neutral is taken from the contactor. Again, one phase is taken from the single pole of MCB. This another point go to the N5 NC. Then how to connect the start and stop button? Again revise we have asked. One point is taken from stop button is N96 means NC and another point of close which is looping from the start button, push button, and another point is connected from push button is A1. This is indication lamp start and stop, but don't hold. We required hold. What to do on that time wiring? We have one point of start is connected with C, which is connected with NO, and then NO is looping from the A1. Why we have required? We have required this start button when start the contactor with hold. Again, next what to do? Next we have connected दो indication lamp. One is starting, another one is motor is stop. What to do on that time?